And here's the other new babies. Little, well, they're 3/4 border collie and 1/4 blue heeler. Sadie had these be 2 weeks Wednesday. But there's about every color in the book, and the eyes just started opening the other day. Almost all of them have blue eyes. But we got about every color there is. Red ones, merles, slate merle. Some of them's got the lavender merle, tricolored merles. There's even a brindle one, I think. It's either brindle or chocolate. And I had 6 boys and 3 girls. It's a red merle. Quite a few of them though for her first litter. She's outside stretching her legs. But this whelping box, this is the way to go. It's just 4 foot by 4 foot. And then that moving blanket just to pull over the top, so she was kind of nervous in the beginning, so she liked a little privacy, but she's loosened up now. Then that 2-inch PVC there is to keep her from squishing them. Kind of like a farrowing crate for a hog. But it works really good. And then the door can lock into there so that the pups can't get out if I don't want them out. But coming along really good. Nice and fat.